Follow this quick start guide to operate your blast chiller. Press the power button to enter the pre-cooling mode. Allow the unit to pre-cool for 20 minutes before starting the cooling process. To switch between temperature and time settings under the pre-cool mode, press the Set button. To change the time and temperature settings, press the plus or minus button. Initiate the cooling cycle by pressing the Start-Stop button after setting the desired time and temperature. During the cooling process, press and hold the Set button to view the current time and temperature setting. Press the Start-Stop button at any time to stop the cooling cycle. Wait for 2 minutes before restarting the cooling cycle after it has been stopped. To quickly set the unit to 38 degrees Fahrenheit and time to 1 hour and 30 minutes, you can use the Quick Chill shortcut button in the pre-cool mode. After that, press the Start-Stop button to start the cooling cycle. To switch between reading and displaying the temperature of the probe and the cabinet, use the Read Probe setting. By default, the unit reads the temperature of the probe, which is shown by the illuminated snowflake indicator light. To activate the Hard Freeze mode, press the Hard Freeze button and insert the probe before pressing the Start-Stop button. When using this mode, the Heat Probe button can be used to heat the core probe, allowing for its removal from the frozen food product. The unit will automatically defrost every 6 hours during the cooling process. To manually initiate defrosting, press the half snowflake button and the indicator light will turn on. Understanding the different buttons on your blast chiller will ensure you're freezing your food properly.